Hello and welcome. You are tuned in to campus news from Holy Cross College, Nagercoil, bringing you the latest updates and highlights from our vibrant campus. News for the month of November. November 17 to 21. Certificate courses and value-added courses. The Deanery of Academic Affairs of Holy Cross College organized certificate courses for the first-year undergraduate students and value-added courses for second and third-year undergraduates as well as postgraduate students. The certificate courses focused on entrepreneurial skills, offering training in RE work and beautician techniques. To enhance career readiness, value-added courses in Python, artificial intelligence and technology were conducted in collaboration with industry trainers from GTech and AK Infopark Nagercoil. These programs equipped students with essential competencies to face the rapidly evolving job market with confidence. The initiative marked a significant milestone in students' academic journey, strengthening their employability and encouraging entrepreneurial ventures. November 24th. College reopens for the event semester, results published on the same day. Holy Cross College Nagercoil reopened for the event semester on 24 November 2025, marking the beginning of a new academic phase with renewed enthusiasm. The campus came alive once again as students returned after the semester break, ready to resume classes and academic activities. In a significant development, the results for the previous odd semester were also published on the same day. Students assessed their results through the official college portal, and many expressed relief and excitement at receiving their marks promptly at the start of the new term. The timely release of results ensured a smooth transition into the new semester without academic delays. November 27. Inter-School Folk Dance Competition. The Department of Tamil SF of Holy Cross College organized an inter-school folk dance competition aimed at promoting and preserving traditional art forms that are gradually disappearing. 10 schools from across the district enthusiastically participated in the event, showcasing vibrant and culturally rich performances. St. Alphonsa School Nagercoil secured the first place and received a cash award of Rs 5,000 along with a memento. Little Champion School Katadi Thattu won the second place and was awarded Rs 3,000 and a memento. St. Anne's Metric School Panagudi bagged the third place and received a cash prize of 2,000 and a memento. The competition served as a meaningful platform to revive folk traditions and encourage young performers to uphold cultural heritage. Spectrum 2025 Colors of Creativity. The Department of Economics of Holy Cross College Nagercoil organized an inter-school talent fest titled Spectrum 2025 Colors of Creativity on 27th of November 2025. The event aimed to offer school students a vibrant platform to display their creativity, intellectual abilities and artistic talents while also promoting environmental awareness and national pride. A wide range of competitions, including drawing, quiz, slogan writing, fancy dress, poster presentation, essay writing, and memory game, provided students with opportunities to showcase diverse skills. Schools in and around Nagercoil participated enthusiastically, reflecting strong student interest and encouragement of dedicated teachers. During the valedictory ceremony, Dr. Sister Sahaya Selvi, principal of the college, addressed the gathering and congratulated the participants for their creativity and confidence. A rolling trophy was presented to the best performing school, adding excitement and fostering a healthy competitive spirit throughout the fest. November 28. Inter-School Competitions. The Department of Botany of Holy Cross College organized a series of competitions for school students with the objective of cultivating their interest in higher education and motivating them to pursue college-level studies. The department-based events aimed to guide young learners and introduce them to the world of biological sciences in an engaging manner. Students from Bishop Remigius School, Belfield School, St. Anthony Higher Secondary School and Carmel School participated enthusiastically, presenting creative and well-crafted entries that impressed everyone present. The competitions featured themes such as creating models of DNA or plant cell structures, poster making on Save the Earth, Secure the Future, drawing on Wealth of Earth, and crafting creative artworks using green leaves and kitchen waste materials. Students showcased exceptional talent across all categories and won prizes for their performance. Belfield School emerged as the overall champion, bringing pride to the Department of Botany and marking the event as a successful and inspiring initiative. Muthamil Villa Competitions. As part of the Muthamil Villa celebrations of Holy Cross College, the Muthamil Mandam of the Department of Tamil organized a series of art competitions for school students at the Multipurpose Hall on the 28th of November. A total of 86 students from 9 schools participated, showcasing their artistic talents across various events and winning prizes for their commendable performances. Belfield Matriculation Higher Secondary School Asaripallam emerged as the overall champion, securing the rolling trophy for their outstanding achievements across all competitions. Dr. Sister Sahai Selvi, principal of the college, distributed the prizes and encouraged the young participants, appreciating their creativity and active involvement in the celebration of Tamil culture. November 29, International Conference. The Crossian Center for Faculty Development, in collaboration with Lincoln University, Malaysia, organized an international conference on empowering educators, advanced workshop on OBE and benchmarking. Professor Dr. Manuel Selvaraj Bexi, Dean, School of Social Sciences, Lincoln University College, Malaysia, served as the resource person. The conference aimed to enhance participants' understanding of global academic standard, effective curriculum design, and modern assessment strategies. Sessions focused on formulating measurable learning outcomes, aligning program and course outcomes, developing robust assessment tools, and integrating benchmarking practices to strengthen institutional quality. MOU activity. The Department of Chemistry of Holy Cross College, Nagercoil signed a Memorandum of Understanding with Nanjal Integrated Dairy Development, Mulagumudu, marking an important step towards strengthening academic-industry collaboration. The partnership aims to enhance experiential learning and skill development for students through internships, specialized training programs, and industry exposure facilitated by industrial visits. These initiatives are expected to enrich students' academic experience, broaden their practical knowledge, and significantly improve their employability. The collaboration is anticipated to open valuable opportunities for learners, giving them a competitive edge and paving the way for academic excellence. These were the latest happenings from our campus at Holy Cross College, Nagercoil. Every day unfolds new milestones and memories. Stay connected for more inspiring updates in our next edition of Campus News.